I'm gonna show you how to make Mexican noodle soup my way.
Sopita. That's how we call it in Mexico. This is one of the best comfort foods you could have. Every region has several types of soups. Here is one of my favorite Mexican soups. It can be made with chicken, pork, and other vegetables, or even just the noodles. The simplicity of this soup and the quick prep time makes it a great meal.
2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, this is a package of vermicelli. You can also use any other kind of noodles. Spaghetti, elbow, shells, letters. Fideo is a traditional. Fideo is a little bit thicker, and then you just have to fry it until brown.
And now remove all the noodles.
Or you can use another pan. A little bit of oil, and then we add 2 pounds of ground beef.
Salt and black pepper.
Half cup of sliced onion. And now we add 2 potatoes, small cubes.
Now we're gonna add a blender. There's 2 tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, 1 jalapeño, no seeds, a little piece of an onion, water. Don't worry about the amount. Now add it to the pot, and we need more water. And we want to fill the pan 3/4.
About a teaspoon of garlic powder. And paprika, about 2 teaspoons.
We're gonna add 1 chipotle pepper. This is a dry pepper. You can also add chipotle from a can, but it will dissolve into the soup. So what I wanna do is to take it off after, it's just to give it a little bit of flavor. This is about a 1/4 cup of cilantro.
Fresh cilantro. And now we add our noodles. Taste the soup and season it with salt to taste. Don't taste the meat, don't taste the potato. Taste the liquid, the soup. Once it starts boiling, turn it down to low heat, cover, and wait about 15 to 20 minutes.
Until the potato is tender.
Now it's ready.
This soup is great for a rainy day, for a cold day, when you're sick. It's just the best. You just have to eat it with tortillas and a splash of lime, and that's it.